Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 4th July 2025. Sweet Baba says, sweet children, become free from bondage and remain busy doing service, because you can earn a huge income by doing this service. You become the masters of paradise for 21 births. Question: which habit should each one of you children instill in yourself? Answer: that of explaining points of the Murli. If your Brahman teacher goes somewhere, it should be possible to hold a class among yourselves. If you do not learn how to conduct a class, how would it be possible to make others become like yourselves? You should not become confused without your Brahman teacher. This study is simple. Continue to keep your classes going because this practice is also required. Song is: look at your face in the mirror of your heart, O man. Essence for Dharana. First is: remove the old habits of jealousy, etc. that you have within yourselves and stay together with a lot of love. Don't stop studying because of jealousy. Second is: renounce all awareness of your old and decayed body. Become like a buzzing moth and buzz this knowledge to others and do the service of making them become like yourself. Become busy in doing this spiritual business. Blessing for today. May you experience supersensuous joy by remaining free from any bondage of your mind and become a bestower of liberation. Details are: to swing in supersensuous joy is the specialty of you confluence-aged Brahmins. However, any bondage of thoughts in your mind will not allow you to experience inner happiness or supersensuous joy. To be tied by some bondage of waste thoughts, jealousy, carelessness or thought of laziness is a bondage of your mind. Out of ego, such souls will always continue to think of blaming others. Their power of realization finishes and so they have to be liberated from those subtle bondages. Only then will they be able to become bestowers of liberation. Slogan is: keep your mine of happiness so full that no waves of sorrow can come to you. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. There is just one easy way to make the seed of an elevated thought fruitful. It is to continue to fill that seed with power at every moment by constantly being connected to the Father, the seed. In your seed form, the seeds of your thoughts will easily and naturally continue to grow and become fruitful. The power of your thoughts will be accumulated.